Do you drink coffee in the morning on an empty stomach? Watch this video. A lot of people around the world drink coffee immediately after they wake up. And we all love those sunny days when we can hang out in the garden or in the closest coffee shop and drink coffee with our friends. Well, yes, you are absolutely right when it comes to drinking coffee. It's very beneficial and useful for the human body, but you shouldn't drink it on empty stomach, especially in the morning. First, you need to know that by drinking a cup of black coffee on an empty stomach early in the morning, will increase the amount of hydrochloric acid inside your digestive tract. Well, this means that if you suffer from gastritis, then you've probably felt this. This hydrochloric acid is actually bad for the food in your stomach. So when you eat something heavy, this acid can cause some digestive problems because it would cause a difficult digestion of proteins. And when protein isn't fully decomposed and absorbed, it can lead to other digestive issues, such as bloating, inflammation of the bowel, irritation, and might cause a colon cancer. This is why many medical experts warn that you shouldn't drink coffee in the morning on empty stomach, immediately after you wake up. Well, the main reason is because coffee will increase the levels of cortisol and the body needs a long time to balance them to its normal state. Cortisol is a hormone that controls our biological clock and the ability to stay awake. You should also know that the consumption on an empty stomach will increase the levels of acid in the stomach, which causes vomiting and bloating. As you can see, drinking coffee on empty stomach immediately after you wake up can be really bad for you. This means that you should have a breakfast before drinking your morning coffee. But if you can't eat breakfast and you can't start your day without a cup of coffee, then you should add some milk or butter in your coffee. It will reduce its harmful effects. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Cinnamon spiced coffee with coconut milk for long-lasting energy without the crash. If you're a little tired of drinking the same kind of coffee every day, it's time to spice it up and put the many benefits of cinnamon to use. Before you rush into making this powerful coffee, be sure to use true or Ceylon cinnamon and not cassia cinnamon, which has been shown to be toxic in high levels. Unlike cassia cinnamon, Ceylon cinnamon can get rid of the oxidants and the inflammatory agents in your body, and it can also lower your blood sugar. Lowers blood sugar. Studies have shown that Ceylon cinnamon can benefit patients with diabetes. An article reviewed 16 studies, both in vitro and in vivo but no human studies, that found benefits associated with Ceylon cinnamon consumption. In vitro studies found that one of the benefits of cinnamon is that it reduces the absorption of glucose by the intestines, and it stimulates the release of insulin, the metabolism of glucose and its transportation into the muscles for extra energy, and the synthesis of glycogen, which stores energy in your body. Animal studies found that it reduces fasting blood glucose, LDL cholesterol, and glycated hemoglobin, and increases HDL cholesterol and the circulation of insulin. Cinnamon also improves the metabolic dysfunctions that are caused by insulin resistance, and may benefit the nerves and kidneys of diabetes patients. Helps fight inflammation. Another article that reviewed in vitro and in vivo studies on humans and animals, shows that Ceylon cinnamon has properties that fight inflammation and chronic inflammation. One of those studies found that cinnamon extracts tend to increase the levels of tristetraproline, a protein that binds to mRNA molecules, which cause inflammation. By binding to those molecules, tristetraproline destabilizes them and inhibits their inflammatory effects. Inhibits oxidative stress. The same review article also mentions studies that found antioxidant properties in cinnamon. A study divided 54 people into 3 groups and assigned one drink to each group: water, regular tea, or cinnamon tea. The researchers took blood samples before and after 2 weeks and measured lipid peroxidation levels and antioxidant strength. Cinnamon tea demonstrated stronger antioxidant properties than regular tea and water, and it also decreased lipid peroxidation, which is the oxidation of lipids during which free radicals remove lipids from cells and cause cell damage. A spiced coffee to get you through an entire week. Serves: 1 pitcher for the week, Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom, 4 cups coffee, your favorite roast, or herbal coffee, 1 cup vanilla hemp protein powder, 10 dates, 2 cups coconut milk. Directions: brew coffee with spices. Blend coffee, coconut milk, dates, and hemp powder in a high-speed blender until smooth. Enjoy each morning to wake you up, energize you and keep you feeling satisfied, without the crash.